Hello everyone, welcome to Kumari Pallavi 19. I am Pallavi and wishing you all a very happy Dhanteras and Diwali. We have finally reached the spot. This place is called Nadighat, Riboi district, Assam Meghalaya border. It is beautifully located. One can spend 2 to 3 hours here. It's a good tourist spot for day visiting and picnic. One can witness the roar of the river. Treat for nature lovers and photographers. It is full of beautiful greeneries. This was our first trip to this place. It has become one of my favorite places for retreat. It was a soothing experience for me. It's really amazing. The wild beauty is attractive to all group of tourists. It would be more dreamy sequence if we can spend a night in nearby location. We went in a short tour on a no internet day. Hi everyone, আজি আমি আহিছো টপাতলি ফালে দি ঘুমাই পেলাই কোট নদী ঘাটলে আৰু এয়া মোৰ লগত আছে বাৰ্থডে গাৰ্ল আজি আমি টুইনিংও কৰিলো হয়নে হ্যাপি বাৰ্থডে থ্যাংক ইউ এয়া হৈছে সৰু মাইনাজনী এয়া বা একে দূৰতে আছে আৰু ওমা এয়া মামা আজি ট্ৰিপটো অৰ্গেনাইজাৰ মামা কিবা কোন কৈ দিও
আজি নদী ঘাটলে আহিলো নতুন কৈ
আজি বাৰ্থডে সেলিব্ৰেশন ইয়াতে
বাৰ্থডে সেলিব্ৰেশন আজি নদী ঘাটত বাকি
দেখুৱাই যাম আৰু আমাৰ এক্টিভিটিজবোৰ This bridge has become weak. It is the joining point of Assam and Meghalaya. Whenever a huge vehicle passed by, this bridge started to shake. And this is the view of the river from the bridge. At that time, I noticed this two-colored dog which was really very cute and I captured him well. This river divides Assam and Meghalaya and this part is in Meghalaya. There are 2 police stations. মামা কি কৈছে?
এইবিলাক বাঁহৰ পাতৰ নিচিনা গছবিলাক দেখিছে যে
অঁ
এইবিলাক ফুল আৰু
অঁ
আৰু এইয়া নদীৰ পাৰত যে জোপোহা হৈ আছে
অঁ
এইয়া পাঁচটা পাত সাতটা পাত তেনেকৈ আছে যে
অঁ
সেয়া হ'ল হেৰি আমাৰ শিমলু আলু বুলি কয়। সেইটো আলুৰে আমি চাগু যে চাগু খাওঁ যে সেই সেইটো আলুৰে বনায়।
অঁ The people here were very courteous and always ready to help. Now we will stop at the temple for few minutes. The temple stood in quiet reverence, surrounded by lush greenery. The scent of incense hung in the air. Intricate carvings adorned the temple's entrance, telling stories of faith and devotion. It felt like a timeless oasis of spirituality, a place where people find solace and connection with something greater than themselves. In its simple beauty and profound tranquility, the temple reminded me of the enduring power of faith and the value of inner peace. We clicked pictures, I made some videos, and it's time to go home. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like and share. I felt very lucky to witness the sunset here, as I am a sunset lover. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.